The project to introduce school buses in Shillong is facing difficulties, with many schools in the state capital not having parking spaces. However, despite all hurdles, the state government is positive and has started the process of rolling out the use of school buses to ease traffic congestion in Shillong city. Getting 82% of parental support for students to be ferried in school buses to be provided by the state government is adopting measures to ensure it becomes a reality. Commenting on this project, Education Minister Lakman Rimboy informed that the state government is conducting a study on the parking spaces for school buses and the routes that they will ply on. He said that many of the parents have agreed to be a part of this system. In its affidavit filed before the Meghalaya High Court on August 17, the state had informed that upon approaching the various schools, 82% of parental support has been obtained for students to be ferried in school buses to be provided by the state. The state proposed to acquire 50 to 60 buses for such purpose. The Meghalaya High Court had earlier directed the state government to draw plans to ease traffic congestion.
Because many of the schools didn't have the good, a large enough compound where after dropping the student, they will park in the vicinity of the school or inside the school campus. This study is going on. Whatever Honorable Chief Minister has stated in the budget, whatever the government team, I think, after taking all this concession, this will be one of the steps to ease the congestion of the city.
In a first, Woodland Hospital